tint map. So, ito, upside down lang yung ating building. So, huwag kayong malilito dyan, ha. Yan, ito yung ating roof. And this is our wall. So, dahil may wall, kakaption natin yung wall. Select yung label, hold yung control key, then drag. Ayan, kung nasan yung ating wall. Then, control A to submit.